Hey everyone, and welcome back to Best Product Reviews. If you're in the market for a Canon DSLR in 2025, you've come to the right place. While mirrorless cameras are getting all the attention these days, DSLRs still offer incredible value, amazing battery life, and that classic photography experience that many of us love. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 best Canon DSLRs you can buy in 2025. Whether you're a beginner just starting your photography journey or a seasoned pro looking for a reliable workhorse, there's something here for everyone. We'll cover everything from budget-friendly options to professional powerhouses, so stick around until the end to find your perfect match. Let's dive right in, starting with number 5. Fifth place, Canon EOS Rebel T8i. Coming in at number 5, we have the Canon EOS Rebel T8i. And this camera is perfect for beginners who want to step up their photography game without breaking the bank. The T8i features a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor that delivers sharp, detailed images with excellent color reproduction. What really sets this camera apart is its dual-pixel CMOS autofocus system, which provides fast and accurate focusing whether you're shooting through the viewfinder or using live view mode. For video enthusiasts, the T8i shoots 4K video at 24 frames per second, and you can also record full HD at up to 60 frames per second. The camera has a fully articulating touchscreen LCD that makes it easy to compose shots from different angles and navigate through the menu system with simple taps and swipes. The T8i offers a continuous shooting speed of 7 frames per second, which is great for capturing action shots or sequences. It also features built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, making it super easy to transfer photos to your smartphone or tablet for quick sharing on social media. Battery life is excellent with approximately 800 shots per charge, and the camera is lightweight and comfortable to hold, making it perfect for long shooting sessions. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description. Fourth place, Canon EOS 90D. At number 4, we have the Canon EOS 90D, a camera that bridges the gap between enthusiast and professional photography with impressive specifications and performance. The 90D boasts a 32.5 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, giving you incredibly detailed images with plenty of room for cropping. This high resolution makes it perfect for landscape photography, portraits, and any situation where you need maximum detail. The autofocus system features 45 cross-type AF points that provide fast and accurate focusing across the frame. The camera also includes dual-pixel CMOS AF for smooth and precise focusing during live view and video recording. Speaking of video, the 90D records 4K video at up to 30 frames per second with no crop factor, and you can shoot full HD at up to 120 frames per second for smooth slow-motion footage. The camera also features uncropped 4K recording, which means you get the full field of view of your. With a continuous shooting speed of 10 frames per second, the 90D is excellent for sports and wildlife photography. The camera has a weather-sealed construction that protects against dust and moisture, making it suitable for outdoor photography in challenging conditions. The optical viewfinder provides 100% coverage with a magnification of 0.95 times, giving you a clear and accurate view of your subject. Battery life is outstanding at approximately 1,300 shots per charge. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description. Third place, Canon EOS 6D Mark II. Taking the third spot is the Canon EOS 6D Mark II, Canon's most affordable full-frame DSLR that doesn't compromise on image quality or features. The 6D Mark II features a 26.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor that delivers exceptional image quality with excellent low-light performance. The larger sensor size means better depth of field control and improved performance in challenging lighting conditions. The camera includes a 45-point all-cross-type autofocus system that provides fast and accurate focusing across a wide area of the frame. The dual-pixel CMOS AF system ensures smooth focusing during live view and video recording. For video recording, the 6D Mark II shoots full HD at up to 60 frames per second with excellent quality and smooth autofocus. While it doesn't offer 4K recording, the full HD quality is still very impressive for most users. One of the standout features is the fully articulating touchscreen LCD, which is rare on full-frame DSLRs. This makes it easy to compose shots from creative angles and navigate through settings with intuitive touch controls. The camera offers built-in Wi-Fi, NFC, and GPS connectivity. The GPS feature is particularly useful for landscape photographers who want to geotag their images automatically. Continuous shooting speed is 6.5 frames per second, and the camera has excellent ergonomics with a comfortable grip. Battery life is impressive at approximately 1,200 shots per charge. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description. Second place, Canon EOS 5D Mark IV. Coming in at number 2 is the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV, a professional-grade full-frame DSLR that has been a favorite among photographers for years. The 5D Mark IV features a 30.4-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor that strikes the perfect balance between resolution and low-light performance. This sensor delivers exceptional image quality with excellent dynamic range and color accuracy. The autofocus system includes 61 AF points with 41 cross-type sensors, providing fast and accurate focusing even in challenging conditions. The camera also features dual-pixel CMOS AF for smooth focusing during live view and video recording. For video enthusiasts, the 5D Mark IV records 4K video at up to 30 frames per second with motion JPEG compression. You can also record full HD at up to 60 frames per second with all-I or IPB compression options. The camera offers a continuous shooting speed of 7 frames per second, making it suitable for sports and wildlife photography. The built-in Wi-Fi and GPS connectivity make it easy to share images and track shooting locations. The 5D Mark IV has a robust magnesium alloy construction with weather sealing that can withstand dust and moisture. The optical viewfinder provides 100% coverage with a magnification of 0.71 times. One unique feature is the built-in intervalometer for time-lapse photography, and the camera offers dual memory card slots for backup or overflow storage. Battery life is excellent at approximately 900 shots per charge, and the camera's ergonomics are outstanding with professional-level controls and customization options. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description. First place, Canon EOS 1DX Mark III. And finally, taking the number 1 spot is the Canon EOS 1DX Mark III, the absolute pinnacle of Canon's DSLR technology and the ultimate camera for professional photographers. The 1DX Mark III features a 20.1-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor that might seem modest in terms of resolution, but it's specifically designed for maximum performance, incredible low-light capability, and blazing fast operation. The autofocus system is simply phenomenal, with 61 AF points including 41 cross-type sensors that provide lightning-fast and accurate focusing even in the most challenging conditions. The camera can track subjects with incredible precision, making it perfect for sports and wildlife photography. What really sets this camera apart is its incredible continuous shooting speed of 16 frames per second with full autofocus and auto-exposure tracking. This makes it possible to capture the perfect moment in fast-paced action scenarios. For video recording, the 1DX Mark III shoots 4K video at up to 60 frames per second and full HD at up to 120 frames per second. The video quality is exceptional with professional-grade features and controls. The camera has a robust magnesium alloy construction with extensive weather sealing that can handle the most demanding professional environments. The optical viewfinder provides 100% coverage with a magnification of 0.76 times. The 1DX Mark III includes built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS connectivity, along with an integrated Ethernet port for professional workflow requirements. The camera has dual CF Express and SD memory card slots for maximum storage flexibility. Battery life is outstanding at approximately 2,850 shots per charge, which is crucial for professional photographers who need all-day reliability. The ergonomics are absolutely perfect with professional-grade controls, customizable buttons, and a comfortable grip that makes extended shooting sessions enjoyable. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description. And there you have it, the top 5 best Canon DSLRs you can buy in 2025. From the beginner-friendly Rebel T8i all the way up to the professional powerhouse 1DX Mark III, Canon continues to offer excellent DSLR options for photographers at every level. Remember, the best camera is the one that fits your specific needs and budget. Consider what type of photography you do most, whether you need 4K video recording, and how important features like weather sealing and battery life are to your workflow. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Best Product Reviews for more in-depth camera reviews and buying guides. Hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest content. What's your favorite Canon DSLR? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from fellow photography enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.